Good morning, good afternoon, and in case I don't see you, great evening. This is your Flexitarian friend, Jael Tanti. Today we're going to talk about two amazing teas. One that helps you regulate your blood sugar, and the other one that helps you regulate your blood pressure naturally. So the first one, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, is called the butterfly pea flower, which actual scientific name is called Declitoria ternatea, which sounds amazing. First thing is, it does have a calming effect because it reduces stress and helps curb emotional eating. I need this. And then the second thing is supports blood sugar balance. It helps prevent those highs and lows that triggers the cravings. Now, the next things that are actually really good for is because it gives you brain support because it's linked to memory, focus, and mental clarity. It is hydrating and antioxidant rich, protects cells, and supports overall wellness. The next one is eye health because the anthocyanins may support your health and vision. And the last one is visual appeal. A vibrant blue color makes it a fun and engaging, beautiful tea. And then the fun part is that it starts out blue, and when you add the lemon, it will actually turn purple. See, purple? I love purple. And the next tea, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, which is the Jamaica flower tea, which it's known as hibiscus flower. That one supports health because it may lower your cholesterol and triglycerides. So it lowers blood pressure. So for those people who actually are taking medication, blood pressure medication, best you check with your doctor just so you're not doubling up. For me, I personally did not want to take any blood pressure medication, so I'd rather to take anything that comes naturally from the earth, Mother Nature. So the other thing that hibiscus flower or flor de Jamaica tea will do for you, it will boost your metabolism. Who doesn't want that? I do. I want to lower my metabolism or speed up my metabolism, not lower it. Oh, please, no, don't lower it. Boost your metabolism, which aids in weight management. For those of you who are suffering from being overweight and having trouble losing any weight, this might help you. Second, it reduces sugar cravings. The tart flavor helps satisfy your taste buds. Digestive aid and detox. Supports healthy digestion and reduces bloating. Who likes to feel bloated like 9 months pregnant after you eat? Nobody does unless you're actually pregnant. It's rich in antioxidants because it's loaded with vitamin C and polyphenols. It strengthens your immunity. So we all know that when you have an immune system that is very strong, doesn't matter if other people are sick around you, you will really survive it. Refreshing hydration, so it's cooling, it's energizing, and great when it's ice. I am telling you something, since I was a kid, I've been drinking this tea. My mother used to give it to us right after we came back from school, and that heat sun, we would come over, and then that was the first thing that we drink, a hibiscus tea with lemon. And then the next thing is this beautiful and rich red. Who doesn't love something that it looks rich and is appetizing? Well, I do. So let's get started and let me show you how you make this tea. So number one, I already put a little bit of 1 tablespoon of ACV, which stands for apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add a little bit of ice. Okay. Then what we'll do is we're going to add a demi spoon. This is a demi spoon, okay? Smaller than a teaspoon. And we're not gonna put a lot, so it's just like in a little flat, okay, demi spoon of the ginger. Then we're going to take half a lemon. So we got a full lemon here. Take half a lemon, and we're going to add it to the mix right here. So make sure that you get one of these. There you go. So we have the lemon here in case you want to see it. So you need to get one of these. This is amazing. And now the next thing is I'm going to mix that up. And here comes the blue tea. Okay. This is blue, but now look how it becomes purple. There you go. That's all there is to it. So now you can take it hot or you can take it cold. The choice is yours. So this is the first one. So this is called the blue butterfly tea. Will curb your appetite for at least 4 to 6 hours. I guarantee you, you take it and it's amazing. Take it 30 minutes before a meal, but if you plan to do intermittent fasting, this is the best. Have it first thing in the morning, right after you have your coffee, if you drink coffee. If you don't drink coffee, great. But this is going to be amazing. So let's try it. Refreshing. Make sure that there's nothing in there. Now, how to make the other tea, which is basically the hibiscus tea. This one will help you regulate blood sugar. So remember, this one will help you regulate sugar and curb your appetite and also give you mental clarity, right? So some of the things that we didn't talk about is that the apple cider vinegar supports and regulates blood sugar. The ginger powder boosts your satisfaction hormones and aids in digestion. The lemon will curb cravings and adds the vitamin C. And of course, you can use like hot water, or you can use, so it's very hydrating. You can use hot water, cold water, it doesn't matter. What I do is I make my tea and I put it in a big jar, and then every day I can take one, then I intermittent fast till probably 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and then I will have a meal, and it could be salad, it could be soup, it could be anything, and then in the afternoon, if I'm feeling that, you know, I'm kind of lagging a little bit or I need to curb my appetite, then I take another drink and maybe I will have another meal. So, but this time though, you're not eating a lot. You're actually eating small amounts because you already feel full because of the drink. So to make the hibiscus, same thing. Because it's summertime, I'm gonna use the cold recipe. But if it was winter time, I probably will want to have the I'm gonna want to have the hot recipe, the warm recipe. So 1 tablespoon of ACV goes in there. Then we take half a lemon and it will go in there. Okay. And then we're gonna take a little demi spoon of the ginger. I buy my ginger also organic, and we'll put that in there. And then now what we're gonna do is we're going to put the red tea. And so I'm gonna put it in a cup. So see, I got the red tea right there. And then we're going to add it to the lemon. And we have this rich, beautiful ruby red tea that will help you. It has been studied. It will help you lower blood pressure. So don't believe me, you better go start and do your own research, okay? So, but if you've taken any of the drugs out there, make sure that you consult your doctor because you might be doubling up, like I said earlier. So the taste is, they say the proof is in the pudding, so let's taste this. Pucker up, buttercup. This is delicious. It's very refreshing and it's unbelievable. So either the choice is yours. You go for the blue, which help you regulate blood sugar and curb your appetite. This one will regulate your blood pressure and will actually suppress sweet craving. So whether you take the blue or the red, it's up to you. Just remember to do one thing. Like, share, and subscribe. And follow me for even more amazing recipes that not only will give you energy, but it will keep you beautiful. Thank you for watching. This is your Flexitarian friend, Jael Tanti. Until then, have a happy, healthy, and wealthy day. Ciao. To your health. Salute. I take them both for both purposes. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Have a great day.